Hey everyone! With Chinese New Year just around the corner, there's something that many of us will be doing soon. Cleaning the house. So in today's lesson, let's talk about cleaning the bathroom. Now, if you think you already know how to talk about these things, you might want to stick around anyway and make sure you know all of the vocabulary for the tools we use and the actions we do when we clean the house. First, let's talk about some of the tools we have. I have a brush here that I use for cleaning the toilet. So I will call this one a toilet brush. This brush has a very long handle. It's for cleaning the floor, so I will call it a floor brush. Over here, I have a sponge. Now this sponge is special. We will even call it a magic sponge. And you'll see why once we start cleaning things. Here, I have some gloves. These are rubber gloves. Over here, I have some sprays. This is a spray bottle. This is also a spray bottle. This one has glass cleaner. This is glass cleaner spray. This one has bleach. It's a bleach spray. Here I have a rag. This rag is very soft, so I will call it a soft cloth. And last, I have a very cool tool. It has many things all together. It has a soft cloth, like this. It has a squeegee for doing that. And it has a spray bottle. All right, now that I have my tools gathered, I'm going to put on a mask and I'm going to open a window since we have one in this bathroom. We're going to be using bleach, which smells very strong. So I want to get some air into this room. If you use natural cleaners, those might not smell as strong, but it's always a good idea to get some fresh air. First, I'm going to put on the gloves. Next, I'm going to take the bleach spray. Make sure you turn on the spray bottle. There, now it is on. Now I'm going to spray the toilet. Now I'm going to let the spray sit for a little while. Then I will come back and scrub it with the toilet brush.
A few moments later.
Now I'm going to take the toilet brush and scrub the toilet. The thing I love about bathrooms in Asia is that we have wet bathrooms. You can use water anywhere where there's a drain. So I'm going to use the shower to rinse off the toilet. Now I'm going to clean the mirror. For this, I need the glass cleaner. So I'm going to make sure the spray bottle is on, and I will spray the mirror. I am spraying a lot on the mirror. That looks good to me. Now I will take my soft cloth and I will scrub the mirror. Okay, now I will use the squeegee. I am going to squeegee the mirror. There, that looks a little bit better. Now I'm going to take my soft cloth and finish drying the mirror. I am wiping the mirror. Nice and clean. Now I'm going to clean the sink. For this, I'm going to use my magic sponge. But before I do that, I'm going to use the bleach spray. And I am spraying the sink. Now the sink is covered in bleach. I'm going to let the bleach sit for a little bit, maybe a few minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, it's been a few minutes and now I'm going to rinse the sink. Great, now I'm going to use my magic sponge to clean the sink. This is amazing. All you need is this sponge to scrub the sink and it will become clean. Just watch. I am scrubbing the sink. Doesn't that look good? The magic sponge is doing a great job. The sink is almost clean. All right, and done. The sink is ready to rinse one more time. Now it looks clean. Now it's time for the shower. In the shower, we have some shelves. The shelves have our shampoo, soap, and hair conditioner. I'm going to move those first. Now, again, I'm going to rinse the shelves and then spray them with bleach. And now the bleach. Okay, let's let that sit for a few minutes.
Later.
Now I'm going to rinse it. I rinsed off the bleach. Now I'm going to use my magic sponge again to wipe the shelves. I'm going to rinse it now and check to see if it's clean enough. If it's not clean enough, I will wipe it some more. That's looking pretty good. I think we're clean. Before I put the bottles back on the shelf, I've got to clean them too. I have some body wash, just soap here. And I'm going to wash the bottles with my hands. Sure.
Real Asian squats.
In Western cultures, or at least America, kids don't learn how to do what we call the Asian squat. We squat like this. So this is what I'm used to. But now that I live in Taiwan, I'm trying to learn how to do the Asian squat. Okay, now the bottles are all covered in soap. I'm going to rinse them off. Great! Now we need to clean the doors of the shower. For this, I'm going to use my special tool again. I'm also going to use some glass cleaner. I'm going to spray the shower doors with the glass cleaner. Okay, now I'm going to use the soft cloth to scrub the shower doors. Great, now I need to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, they're looking a lot cleaner. Now I'm going to rinse down the doors and see how clean they are. That's a lot clearer, isn't it? One last thing I will do is I'm going to replace the filter on our shower head. This is a really cool shower head. We got it from Costco. It has a cotton filter inside to make your water a little bit cleaner. I'm going to unscrew the shower head. Okay, I'm going to take out the old filter. Wow, look at that. We've had people clean our water tank and our pipes, but it still catches some things, so we like to use a filter like this. I'm screwing in the shower head. All right, all done. There we go. A nice clean filter. Now it's time for me to scrub and wash the walls and the floor. This part will take the longest. Okay, the bathroom is clean. Isn't that a good feeling? What are some of your favorite things about cleaning? What is your favorite place to clean? What is a new word that you learned from today's video? Leave it in a comment below. Also, let us know what topics would you like to see in a future video. By the way, I wanted to let you know I didn't do anything wrong with my wife, really. I'm not doing this as a punishment. I like to clean sometimes. I hope you guys have a great Chinese New Year. See you next time.